Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to reduce device overheating after updating to iOS 18.11. Let's dive in. First, open your settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the General section. Tap on it and locate the Software Update option. Check if a new iOS version is available. Apple often releases patches to address issues, so installing the latest update might resolve the overheating problem entirely. Next, let's check Background App Refresh. Still in the General section, find the Background App Refresh option. It's best to turn this feature off completely to prevent apps from running in the background unnecessarily. If there are apps you rely on, you can selectively enable them by toggling their switches in the list below. Now, let's adjust location settings. Head back to Settings and tap on Privacy and Security, then select Location Services. You can turn location off entirely or restrict it to only when apps are in use. This reduces background processes, which can help keep your phone cooler. Lastly, avoid exposing your phone to direct sunlight or using it heavily while charging, as these can also contribute to overheating. And there you have it, simple ways to reduce overheating on your iOS device. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.